and respected Chief Guest, Shri Bhagwan Khubaji, Honorable Minister of State for Chemicals and Fertilizers and New and Renewable Energy, Government of India. Senior dignitaries from the chemical industry, Mr. Rajendra Gogri, CMD Aarti Industries Limited, Mr. Sameer Somaya, CMD Godavari Biorefineries Limited, Mr. Maulik Mehta, CEO and ED Deepak Nitrite Limited, Mr. Maulik Patel, CMD Meghmani Fine Chem Limited, Mr. Rahul Tikku, MD South Asia Huntsman Corporation, Mr. Deepak Shah, Chairman Crop Care Federation of India and CMD Sulphur Mills Limited, and Mr. Kapil Malhotra, President Alkali Manufacturers Association of India and Global Business Unit Head GFL. Welcome, sir. Bhagwan Khubaji has joined. Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar, namaskar.
Namaskar. On behalf of Indian Chemical News, in short, we call it an ICN, the most credible online media platform for chemicals, petrochemicals, energy, and pharmaceuticals industries. A warm welcome to all top dignitaries present in the inaugural ceremony virtual function. I would also like to welcome 75 speakers who are participating for 11 different sessions: policy, digitalization, CMSR, petrochemicals, R&D, specialty chemicals, sustainability, pharmaceutical, agrochemicals, next gen, and hydrogen. A warm welcome to 3,000 plus delegates who have registered from 35 plus countries and different parts of India for the first edition of Next Gen Chemicals and Petrochemical Summit 2021. The theme of two-day summit is moving in the big league. Today is the most auspicious day of Navratri, the first day, and we are launching a brand new event, Next Gen Chemicals and Petrochemical Summit 2021, at the hands of our Honorable Minister Bhagwan Khubaji, who has consented to be part of this inaugural ceremony. Thank you, sir, for agreeing to be part of the inaugural ceremony. Moving in the big league is not just the theme of our summit, but we want India to move in the big league in chemicals, petrochemicals, energy, and pharmaceuticals. And this is not a Herculean task, but is possible if all the stakeholders work on a common theme of making India Atmanirbhar in all the related sectors. We have already shown our intent in the current pandemic of COVID-19, and along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the industry has stretched themselves and met the needs of the India. Let us look at some of the statistics. The Indian chemical industry stood at $178 billion in 2019 and is expected to reach $304 billion by 2025, registering a CAGR of 9.3%. An investment of $107.38 billion is estimated in the chemicals and petrochemical sector by 2025. The Indian government recognizes chemical industry as a key growth element and forecast is to increase share of the chemical sector to around 25% of the GDP in the manufacturing sector by 2025. The government of India is open and good to know that it's working on the suggestions of the industry at a brisk pace. The production linked incentive scheme for the National Program on Advanced Chemistry Cell Battery Storage has been approved by the Union Cabinet as of May 2021. The government of India is also considering launching a production linked incentive scheme in the chemical sector to boost domestic manufacturing and exports. The government plans to implement production linked incentive scheme with 10 to 20% output in incentives for the agrochemical sector to create an end-to-end manufacturing ecosystem through the growth of clusters. A 2034 vision of the chemicals and petrochemical sector has been set up by the government to explore opportunities to improve domestic production, reduce imports, and attract investments in the sector. And sir, this Next Gen Chemical and Petrochemical Summit is another endeavor to make it happen that we achieve the 2034 vision of the government. We started as a startup we started as a part of Startup India and is now part of Digital India, as we are disseminating information to more than 40,000 registered delegates daily through digital media, capturing both national as well as international developments in chemicals, petrochemicals, energy, and pharmaceutical industries. We are in sync with the Government of India objective to make Indian chemicals, petrochemicals, energy, and pharmaceutical Atmanirbhar. ICN, being an objective and neutral platform with the support of the industry, aims to become a stronger voice to make India Atmanirbhar in green, eco, environmental, and sustainability practices. We, along with almost 150 man-years of experience, is trying to make India as #1 country in chemical, petrochemical, pharmaceutical, and energy industry. And we need and request your support to achieve the goal of India to become Atmanirbhar. Thank you.